Hello, 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 hello. Hello, let me check if my sound is coming good or not. All right. Hello, 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 hello. Now, let me check if my sound. Okay, sound is good. Let's talk about our trades. So now I'm here practicing trading. I'm practicing my trades on Exynos by taking help of Delta Trading V2. That's for sure. I started with 2K and I'm at now I'm currently at 4525. These are my two previous trades that I took. Mm, This is today's first stream only. I have not done any stream before this. Before this, I did stream on August 22nd, and 23rd and 24th was weekend. That's why I didn't do anything. Market was closed. So now, what is my plan over here is let me close the orders too. I do not want them. Here my plan is for buy gold here, change it. Okay, now it's done. Now is no, we don't have to take all the trades. What I'm feeling in this US oil is that it will come further down to complete its fair value gap. That's what I thinking. I put my trade in Ethereum to did it execute or not? Oh, we just no short of a point, and it would be an easy 800 rupees profit. It should be shown. It would have been showing 800 profit right now. No, but no worries. Not all trades, we can get. So that was my plan, but it didn't got executed. But it's okay. We'll see for more trades if we get any. What I try to do earlier, I used to trade in earlier I used to more trade in small time frames, but now what I'm trying to do is trade in larger time frames so that I can get easily my targets and the other things. And in Bitcoin, we also see we can. Is there any trade that we can execute? This is the time we find good trades for all four instruments. And if it's really wanna go up, then my sell limited so is at a good position. And I would place my target here 94 above the previous low, above the previous high, and I will push it further up to here. That's my strategy. If I do not get this trade, it's okay. But what I think is I eventually will, my order will eventually it will get executed. And what's the SL? SL is high. What can we do that? Let's go. Now that's my strategy. And what I'm thinking right now is that it wants to go upside. Does it or does it not? Yeah, trying to. I don't know whether we can say it's profit booking or it's selling or not, but it's trying to go upwards. But we'll wait. I will wait for our orders to get executed. We do not rush into the things. And definitely, we won't do that. If I had not changed my modified my position, I could easily got this order executed, and it would be easy 1K. Yeah, easy peasy 1K. But I'm happy. I do not want to get overexcited or get more tense situations because I because my order didn't get executed. I'm happy. I'll stay in bit for a while. I'll try one more. And this is good target. That's what I think. And I should increase my SL a little bit. And I think this is a good trade. And I can make easy more than 1K, of course. I'll be targeting more than 1K for in it. Let's go. 1:2 RR. We'll wait for. Yeah, no, that's nice. We'll wait for my top loss to get hit. If you want, look at the trade multiple times so that my psychology get affected. I do not want to do that. Definitely, I just want to stay in my zone. And if I do find good targets, then I'll be. If I do find good trades, then definitely I'll be getting into it. And I know what's my risk. If either of the targets get executed, either it is stop loss or my target, it's okay. I traded on its merit. It's doesn't matter. Sorry for the interruption. Let's focus on what we were doing. We'll say I don't think so that this oil should be going this up this high. I do not know. I do not want to say this, but my personal feelings that should be a hindrance in your training journey. But I don't know. I either it's my gut or whatever it is saying that selling came in gold. That US oil will get move down. Can we add into it? and increase my stop loss. Instead of adding into it, I can, increase my SL. Should I do that? A little bit. Nah, let it get executed. Let it load. Nah, SL, it's okay. I do not care. Um, If we see in MACD line, and the MACD is showing clearly bearish pattern, bearish line, the red line is above blue line. But if we see, but if we read the real time chart, if we read the price action, it's clearly showing the bullish pattern because it gave a good green candle and it's now holding above the 50% of that candle and is now sideways above the 50% of candle. Now this shows us the bullish nature of the trade. Hmm. Now I can uh, do some buying opportunities in Ethereum and having a stop loss off. We'll see what should be our ideal stop loss. And, and that's why I didn't do anything. I have faith in my trade. I had, maybe it can go downwards from here, but I do not want to hinder my trade. If I've taken it, then it's okay. Well, let's see what will be the SL if I buy from here and our SLV here. No, it's quite low. 1K reached in gold. No, that's the trade. That's how I should be trading. Now what I wanna do is I wanna partial close here. I wanna exit some quantity. Now I'm exiting. I'll exit one. It's okay. I'll wait for I'll wait for it to clear my target. I'll wait for it. For that time, I'll see if I can get another trade or not. I do not want to rush into the things. If there is a trade, then I'll try to take it. If there is a trade and I miss it, then I'll not regret about anything. If I miss it, don't worry. There are thousands of trades that I can get. But what I have to be patient in doing things. I do not have to rush into the things and get and go for a loss. That should that is that shouldn't be I be doing. What I think in Bitcoin is that, I shouldn't say Bitcoin, but Ethereum, that it can go upwards as the blue line is trying to, cross the red line. But I have no surety about this. If it does, then we can have the buying opportunity here. Then we can have the buying opportunity here. Okay, let's wait for thing. I think it has given me my target or not, or it is close. And is what I'll do in this is that I'll decrease my stop loss. Yes, Previously, I've executed one of my, I've partially closed one position from here. If I get, if my, if I my stop loss get hit, then I'll be exiting at a break even. So no worries. In US oil, I think there's a selling, but at the speed which the buying is coming is insane. It is skyrocketing at this pace because there is news, because of news. That's why I think it's going such a pace, at such pace. Okay. Nice. Ethereum is going upwards. Good for it. Good for it. Mm-hmm. Mistakenly closed my controls. Closed my gold. Knows whether wedding levels. What I think is that it isn't going anywhere. It's only a fake breakout. It can be it can be a good breakout, not a fake one, but that's what I'm thinking right now. But we'll see about that too. It's not that far hitting the target. It's almost halfway there. It's now above that halfway. Good buying came coming. Now I've taken good trades today. That I should be saying. I've taken some good trades today. I've taken three trades, and third one is currently going on. This 241 that you're seeing, the profit is partially closed of a trade that is going on right now. And the previous two trades are actually all three trades are in gold. One is of in one we get 1800 positive. Another trade we got 700 and the partial closed was 241. Now we can see that currently going on trade has 530 plus. So we can say that I've taken three trades today and all are in positive, and that is a good thing. And what I've liked about today's trade is that one trade that I got and hold up to a good profit, and that was of 1800 rupees. We should be taking good trades, good big and good high trades. That is what I should be looking for instead of taking, just small cutting off my profits and, holding off my bad trades, holding off my. and losses. That that is the thing I should learn. And I I don't know why, but I'm seeing an opportunity to just sell over here, sell here, and I'll just make the stop loss here and target to one new low. Let's see about that too. Well, let's see how much of stop loss we need to hit the trade. If the stop loss is not that high, then we can do that. We'll go into on our chart time frame, and we'll see about this. What I'm trying to do is I'm gonna sell over here. If I do that, let's see how much of SL I have to give over here. SL game to can we go here? Let's see the SL of this. We can get good profit over here. That's what I think. No, but uh, things do not match that. SLM, mhm, I'm not getting a good risk reward ratio. That's why I'm not doing that. I'll be holding it. In Ethereum, I'm thinking that it is converting into a bullish pattern into a bullish time frame because the buying is coming. And sorry friends, mm, because today's because on Friday too I did only a one trade and I'm doing one only today because I was traveling and that's why while traveling I can't wait and I can't be doing live. I wanna get into the more smaller time frame to see if I really wanted to close my trade. Now that is clearly showing me whether what to do or what not to. I'll just increase my target and Now if it wanna uh, give me a move, then it will give me a move. It will not come and take my SL over here right now. That's why I put my SL over here right now. If it changes its direction, then it will be loss for me. So I do not want to take any loss over right now. And my SL should be over here. If I'm just waiting what will happen. It can come over here. For fair value gap, but it should become coming down here and hitting my SL. Now we're waiting for it. Mm, it is taking support from here. I don't know whether it will go upwards or downwards if it takes support from here. So if I don't know about this trade, then I'll stay away from it for a while unless it shows me clear sign of where it will go. Like this one, I expect it can come a little bit more downwards, but it's okay. If I see it in range of now, my target, I don't think so. It's a good target. And I'll push my stop loss. I'm not feeling confident about pushing my target more. No, it's taking support from here. No worries. I'll not be getting into any nervous breakdown or anything. Let's see about what it is going to give us. It has 2 more minutes to give me my target. If it doesn't, then we know what we have to do. Recognition, goodbye, over. And now this is the zone where I can. This is the zone where I can sell in. Let it come over above here. Then we can do some selling. I think today is one of the most, profitable day I've had while uh, doing this live. This is my 30-second live. Almost you can say 16, 17 days. Hmm, it's very close. I think I should close. I shouldn't be, waiting for that all the way. How much? 50 rupees, 50 rupees. Let me go into 1 minute time frame. Yeah, I'm cutting it. Now, if we see our closed position, this is the best day I'd ever had. I just 3x'd my money over just 4 trades. Actually, it's 3 trades. This is the one where I just partially closed one of my trades. But it's okay. What I think if it's really gonna go forward direction, then it should really close above at least above this red candle so that it come it can do the thing. But why to imagine something that is not happening? I just closed my position at this level. And I was thinking to expand my level. Maybe if it goes, I do not have such greed that it goes wide and I hold it more bit. I'm fine. I don't want this little targets, and if it doesn't go in that direction, I'll I'll get my if I that profit that would that would be converted in a loss too, and it's not what I want. One cookie in hand is better than 10 in box. We can say one cookie in hand is better than 10 in shop. Now you're sort of showing some volatility. I can't see any other. any trade that we can go into it. The earlier was here. Mm, I moved my position over here, and that's why it didn't get executed over here, and I'm completely fine with it. No complaints over it. Earlier, my position was here, selling position. And then I just execute and I just move it a little bit above further. So that's my stop loss would get small. Uh, and it's okay. I'm fine with it. If you see another thing in here, all of my trades that I've took is against the MACD. That's why I'm a little bit cautious. If you see, all of my all of my three trades are buy and gold, and if you see MACD, okay. Actually, it is with it, not it against it. It is with it, and that's a good thing. Maybe it is with it, but I should be a little bit cautious. But in 1 hour time frame, it is against it. I was checking out 4 hour time frame. I was recently checking 4 hour, but when I was taking trades at that particular time, I was checking out 1 hour, and I've taken all these trades in the 1 hour time frame, and it feels good to have these positions to see. Now, just roaming around here, we don't necessarily have to put our brain into it if it doesn't yield anything. Our main focus should be doing the right thing. I do not know what happened there, but okay. If we see it in a 1 hour, 1 day time frame, uh-huh, it is getting resistance over here, and that is completely obvious. I firstly thought it is making a double M pattern, double bottom, double top pattern. Or double bottom. Oh, but it isn't. And got a gap down opening. And it got away. Okay, nice. That's nice. Ethereum. Don't know where it wanna go, but that's okay. I'll I'll not I'll not touch it. I'll stay away from it. And it's better for me. I do not want to trade unnecessary things. And if we talk about Ethereum, it is in a good position to go over. Good position to give us some bullish pattern. If we see in MACD, W line is definitely above the red line, which indicate us that it is showing bullish pattern. And it took support from it completed its FPG fair value gap, and it took support from this wick and went over this week and this candle. It took support from here and going upwards. Now, if it really wanna go downwards, then I don't think so. Now I'm a little bit confused over here what to expect or what not to. So I do not want to DK my brain overhead a little bit. No, I ain't retarded. Why would I be? It took support from its previous highs. What I think is it is going for a big correction right now. It will go for correction, then it will came. Like previously, we can see it rallied over up to one like 6,000. Then it tried another time. Then it didn't got anything. It got resistance only. Then it came down to 76,000. And now that would be a great trade if anyone have if anyone would have bought it from here. And yeah, man, it went up to 125,000. Now this could be a great trade too if anyone would have bought it from here. No, it waited many days over here too. No, overall, if we see it, it is definitely in a hello in a bullish pattern. And it is getting support from the very much it. How many days it steady. Uh, my battery of AirPods get low, and I've streamed over 1 hour. Okay, I do not want to end stream right now, but as of my AirPods battery got dead, so I would be speaking without my AirPods. Not so good. Just kept my AirPods away. Let's see if we can hear it or not. Let's see what happens. My voice definitely got very low in comparison earlier what I was how loud I was being able to say, but now it just got very low because I have no microphone. Well, by that too, Bitcoin showing good signs of a good breakdown. And then one day time frame, I see it going upward, but we'll wait. We'll wait. If it takes support from here, we can mm, make a buying position over here up to the previous high. Mm, we can do that or not. Now that's how I should be thinking. In US oil, it's completely rallying upwards. It made a candle above. Hmm. And for I don't think this rally is sustainable. And that's my no, that's my view of seeing it that way. But it can definitely be different if anybody same as the thing. What I see in Ethereum is a good buying opportunity over here right now. And if we do same, let's see what could be our possible stop loss and what could be our possible target over here. Let's suppose we do some buying over here and our stop loss will be this. Actually, this is exaggerated. I won't do it. This is a good target. I would expect at least in four digits. I end buying here. The good opportunity was here to buy. I think I missed it, but I ain't regretting that because why should I? How is there? Okay, that target, that take profit is of the one. It's okay. As I am calm, I am able to make good decisions for my upcoming trades, and that is a good thing. If it really wanna rally up upwards, then in Bitcoin it should be at least coming over here. This is the point where the buying should be happening. This is the point 112028. Let's see if we can get any opportunity for buying Bitcoin. There are many days since I've taken a trade in Bitcoin. Your internet connection is low. Okay, brother, I know my internet connection is low. Can you please update it? No, please shut up. That is the next thing I can say to it. Ha ha ha. Mm, 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 I'll do pending order. I want buy market order over here. No, I won't be doing that 1000 rupees asset. That would be madness to do that. And what would be my target if I go with this trade is N05. Let's go. That is a decent target and stop loss. But I will close. The pending order was placed, not executed. There's a big difference between executed and placed. Now my order is executed in Ethereum. I'll smaller the frame to 15 minutes. Till the time you watch my trade, I go for an important work to look at the What good trades today? This is how I started my day.